I think he's big. Yeah, he is too. He's good. How about that for the first cast of the day?
Nice one.
Do some. Big one. Giant. Alright, day 2 is here on the St. Lawrence River. I thought we had a great day yesterday, but we are in 39th place with 21 pounds, 11 ounces. You know, I caught them early, and I kind of laid off my fish because I thought I had a good day, and I didn't want to burn 4-pounders that I might need because my small fish was a 4 even. So today, now after seeing the weights, I know not to lay off, you know, until you get 25 even. There was a bag yesterday, 27 pounds, 12 ounces of all smallmouth. So that shows you what's swimming out there, and we just got to set our goals a little bit higher today, and hopefully put together a good day. If we can sneak into that top 50, you know, catch us 20 pounds again, that should lock us into the Bassmaster Classic, which is the ultimate goal for the season. So here's hoping we can do that today. I don't know if that was one or not. It was weird. Giant. That's probably why I missed him. I kept thinking bite, then I felt there's nothing there, bite, nothing there. And then finally I just decided to reel slack and load. I think at least 4. Could just be big on them. I hadn't caught a big one today. Not that big. Very good one, though. What do you say?
You're close to 3 and 3.5, 3 3/4.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this scale is light.
Deep. Oh no, now I can see, look at the belly across there.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Drop shot.
Yep. One more leg is going up, I guess, in the lake. For the smallies. That's good. Right now it's good.
looked good when I set the hook at first.
Yeah.
Yes,
Ooh,
sir.
that's a good one.
Yeah, baby.
That's not a 3.
No, that ain't a 3.
That's 4. Hello.
There we go. Slowly but surely. Ain't even gonna wait. That's bigger than that other one, isn't it?
Yeah. Get his eye or something?
Oh yeah, I promise. It's half.
There you go.
I think that's like 4, 4.5. If that other one was a 4,
No,
like
that's
a 4.2.
Yeah.
That's got to be at least 4, 4, 4, 6.
Yep.
Oh. I told you there was a bunch up there. That's a big one too. That ain't a big one. Dang it. It like barely hit the water, dude. You think there's not a few of them there?
Okay, that's a little wrong.
I told you, I'm telling you, there's a million of them. The good thing is I don't have to worry about these little rascals dying on me. That's a big one. Yeah. He had me around that piling. Wasn't no little one though. Wasn't no little one. Oh, dadgummit. You see what that one did to me? There's a 3-pounder, right? At least. It's 3, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna weigh him just to be sure. $297, so right at 3 pounds.
That looks real close.
These things are psychotic. Biggin. I don't know how big. Feels pretty good. It ain't that big. But I'll take him. He'll cull a 2-pounder.
Yeah, oh, absolutely.
He ain't big at all. Wow. I mean, I should have just boat flipped him.
I was ready for the 5.
Yeah, I was too. It was just right, I mean, that was in the spot where, I think that'll cull that largemouth actually. Unfortunately.
I don't know. If they're tight, I know which one I'd keep.
Yeah. These guys are a little harder to grab in the live well. I can tell you this one weighs more.
It's alright. Yeah.
Does it matter? That ain't gonna, if it dies, you know what I mean?
That's yeah, absolutely. I know what I would do there if it's within an ounce
Yeah.
or two.
Alright, I'm gonna idle us back up. He'll help. Definitely help.
Hey. Say no.
I think he'll help, won't you?
Yeah, that's what I thought you said no.
Oh yeah, no. I said yeah, I think he'll help.
Oh, I think so too. That's why I was just waiting to see if I was moving or not.
Well, he's spitting something up down there. There's your goby. He's not very big though.
No.
Come here. Let me quit rushing this stupid thing. Come on, we don't have time for little rats like you.
Bigger than your largie.
Yeah. Let's see what that little guy weighs. Say 240 maybe.
Maybe 2.5. What?
Try
3?
almost 3.
Yeah, that's what it is. They're always bigger than you think.
Mm-hmm.
They're fatter than you think they are.
Okay.
There you go.
Almost 3. That first one I caught was bigger than that, wasn't it? The first smallmouth? I wanted to say.
So, yeah.
Alright, buddy, I'm going to apologize ahead of time, but you're about to be...
You're not going to like this.
No.
Your relocation.
Look, here's your chance to grow really, really big. Go eat some gobies.
Still sitting there probably, where's the bottom?
Yeah. Guys, it's definitely going to be a close one. I ain't going to finish like 70 of them. Here's to hoping there's no dead ones.
Yeah.
One. And then possibly, if I get a check, this is the fish right here that saved my day.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, dadgummit. It's 4 ounces. Crap. That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
Yeah. I'll help you.
That's that biggest one.
Yeah.
Because that's a 4.
Yeah.
I think that other one's like 4.5 at least.
Velcro that, or?
I'm going to get this right here. Yep. Awesome.
Well, to my surprise, my 5 fish today weighed 18.7. You know, it was a little more than I thought I had. I actually made the top 50. I'm sitting in 38th place, so I only dropped 2 spots after last night. My dad, what'd you have today? 16?
16.11.
16.11. He's 4 ounces behind me, so we're neck and neck. But we both made the top 50. That's payday. And the coolest thing is, I believe, I could be wrong, I haven't done the math yet, but I think I locked up my 2018 Classic berth, or is that 2019? 2019 Classic.
2019 Classic.
2019 Classic in Knoxville, Tennessee. So super excited about that. It's always the main goal at the end of the year. You know, if you can make the Classic, it's been a good year. So happy about that. And you know, tomorrow we're gonna go try to catch 25 pounds. It's possible. I'm not saying it's probable because today was tough, but it's possible. And we're going to give it all we got. Any words of wisdom, Dad?
Fish hard and catch big ones.
All right, we're going to go with that.